In this short video, we will be looking at the Remove and Replace tool in AccountsAdvanced. If you have made changes to a note, statement or report and it is not displaying or totaling as expected, you can remove and replace it to restore to the default version. Before proceeding, we would recommend taking a backup of the file as all customizations will be lost during this process. To remove and replace the note, statement or report, click within it and under the Note tab, select the Remove Replace button. The note will be removed and replaced with the default version. Please visit the knowledge base for more videos and useful information, or you can contact our technical support team for further assistance via the details shown on screen.